Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we are in Nakuru. We are doing a house tour of this 2-bedroom apartment located in White House in Nakuru. So these are newly constructed houses and we are going to begin with this beautiful living room which is quite spacious with modernized features. So as you can see, it has natural light because it has large windows that allow light inside. Also guys, to let you know, we are remaining with only 2 units of this apartment. So we have the kitchen, which I really loved it. It has so many cabinets for the storage, so you have extra storage, and yeah, it's really spacious, and water is there available 24/7, as you can see. So yeah, you can see that water is available 24/7. Remember, the location of this particular house is located in White House in Nakuru. It's very near to town, and from White House is just a walking distance to the main road. So yeah, that's it about the kitchen. As you can see, it's quite spacious. You can put your fridge over here, and then you have this balcony on this side where you can hang your clothes as well as do your things over here. You have that space. So there are so many of you guys who have been telling me nitafutie nyumba modern enye iko budget ya 20k. For those who are looking for a house that is between the budget of 20,000, watch till the end because I'm going to reveal how much you need to pay to acquire this particular unit. So yeah, let's continue touring this particular house. So the washroom, the toilet, and the bathroom are separate. For those who don't love having the toilet and the bathroom together, this is your to-go house. So this is the first bedroom. You can see all the bedrooms, by the way guys, have the closet. For those of you who asked for, there's a specific client who told me that hey, Masi, nataka nyumba iko na closet. Iko na closet. Mimi ukiona nyumba yenye naishi, so huwezi nihamisha kwa nyumba yenye iko na closet kubwa unipeleke nyumba yenye haina. So guys, if you're that kind of a client, this is your house. So check it out. If you love it, you know where to get me. My number is always on the screen. So also guys, every bedroom has a mirror, as you can see. So you don't have to buy mirrors, put your mirrors. They already have set mirrors for you. And I love the cabinets. They have provided a lot of storage in this particular bedroom. So yeah, let's head on to the second bedroom. So guys, these bedrooms are not master and suite. So for those who will be asking whether they are master and suite, they are not. We don't have a master and suite in these particular units. So yeah, this is the closet. This is the closet of the second bedroom, similar to the first one. Yeah, as you can see over there. But I love. Don't mind the items on there's someone. There was someone inside, but when you come, he'll be out. So yeah, that's it about this particular house. And as you can see, it's very every room has its own newly constructed doors, and we have mirrors almost everywhere in this particular house. So guys, the moment of truth is here. So guys, this house is going for 18,000 Kenyan shillings per month. So every month you'll be paying 18,000. So if you are going inside for the first time, you'll pay 18,000, a deposit of 18,000. Yeah, and that is it. You're ready to set in for the house. You can see even the outwards appearance of the house. It is so beautiful. I love the artwork of these particular stones. I love it. And you also have ample parking just in case you have a car. Your car is sorted out. So yeah, that's it about these particular units, and we have 2-bedroom units remaining only. So 2-bedroom units remaining, and 1 bedroom on the 3rd floor. we have a 3-bedroom remaining, which I'm going to do in another different video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to do another video showing you a 3-bedroom. Yeah, so we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms in this particular apartments. Yeah, and as you can see also the tile work of this particular apartment. So that marks the end of this video. Just in case you're looking for a 2-bedroom, a 3-bedroom, or any other type of house, you can call my number always on the screen. So until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe.